Hello everyone, I'm Lima Sunil. I'm 52 years old and I'm from Mumbai. So I was one day going through the Facebook and I saw this Dr. Jinendra Jain speaking about Shadavshak program. I just saw the video. I thought maybe it's some supplement or something. What attracted me most was that you can lead a disease-free life without medicines. Beginning, I thought it might be some supplement or something that he's trying to promote, or maybe some panchakra cleaning, or there are many things like that coming ads. So I thought that's all not practical and not possible, and not sustainable. Not able to do on a long term. So I thought maybe it's something like that. But just thought since it is medicine-free and disease-free, I was very attracted by the whole thought of it. So and supplement-free. So very happy with it. So for me, my weight was around 72.6 or 72.8. I started my journey from there. This was 5th June and then today is around 21st July, and by now I have come to 67.8 kilos. That is around 4.8 kilos I've lost. My purpose of joining this program was never to lose weight. It was generally to gain, as I said, to lead a disease-free life, a medicine-free life, a supplement-free life. I've gone to nutritionists, I've gone to so many places, so it is all not, in the long term, doesn't last. So it's just, but the effect of it was so beautiful. When I'm seeing my weight, I'm seeing my muscle mass, and seeing my many other counts in the parameters in the BMI, my age, but this show on this thing, so all that has got reduced. So I'm very happy about that, and my blood count has never crossed 11 in hemoglobin, and never, it has never crossed that, and it has been always on the borderline triglycerides and the cholesterol. So I'm now seeing in 1 month when I tested, I saw my cholesterol has come down to borderline, and my triglycerides is amazingly low. It has never hit so low. My hemoglobin is at 13, and I can feel my whole body with energy the whole day. Afternoon I need not lie down, and evening also I look much better than what I used to, and I can experience the difference.